Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You open the document and act now. Make a working copy so you can revert if needed. Once done, scan for layout breakpoints. Tables, headers, and images often shift during conversion. Decide the method quickly. Use Word's export or save as PDF for best fidelity, or choose print to PDF when you need printer emulation. If using an online converter, make sure the file contains no sensitive data and that you trust the service before uploading. Now focus on options that affect how the PDF looks and behaves. Select page range if you don't need the full document. Pick PDF/A for archival stability or standard for better fidelity. Make sure to embed fonts so typography stays intact on other machines, and export bookmarks from heading styles to preserve navigation. If the document had tracked changes or comments, decide whether to accept or include markup. This changes appearance and confidentiality. Once your settings are set, finish by opening the PDF and verifying critical elements, page breaks, links, image quality, and that text is selectable for search. Make metadata edits, title, author, and keywords so the file is easier to find. If you need security, add passwords or restrict printing. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Often missing fonts or corrupted elements cause issues. Try embedding fonts, use print to PDF, or switch to another converter. Finally, archive the working Word copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.